नमस्कार। हर क्षण बदलने वाली जिंदगी में हम अक्सर बहुत से लोगों से मिलते हैं, पर उनमें से कुछ हैं जो अपनी छाप छोड़ जाते हैं। उनके बात करने का तरीका, चीज़ों के रख रखाव का सलीका, उनका बेबाक भोलापन जो बनाता है उन्हें औरों से अलग। ये गुण उन्हीं में होते हैं जो सीधे सच्चे होते हैं। हमारी आज की कोना मन की श्रृंखला की मुख्य अतिथि हैं श्रीमती साइदा अहमद जी, जिन्हें प्यार से हम सब सद्दो आपा कहकर पुकारते हैं। आप अंग्रेजी की बेहतरीन अध्यापिका हैं, उर्दू आपकी भाषा है, आप हिंदी की भी ज्ञाता हैं। आप मानती हैं कि जहां हृदय में सच्चाई होती है वहां घरों में सामंजस्य होता है, और जब घरों में सामंजस्य होता है तब देश में व्यवस्था होती है। जब देश में व्यवस्था होती है तभी देश में शांति होती है। आप एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम से प्रभावित हैं और आपका कहना है कि देश को सुंदर बनाने के लिए 3 लोगों की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका होती है। वे 3 लोग हैं, माता, पिता और शिक्षक। आप स्वयं शिक्षिका हैं और आज आप हमें बताने जा रही हैं कि आप अपनी जिंदगी के इस मुकाम पर कैसे पहुंची हैं। आपका कोई नहीं है सब्स्टिट्यूट स्टडी हॉल विद्यालय में जो है सबसे क्यूट। आइए मिलते हैं ऐसी अपनी प्यारी सद्दो आपा से।
Hello everyone. I've been asked to delve or peep into Kona Manka to allow me to reminisce. Quite a Herculean task at the ripe old age of 81. I was born in a joint family, quite pampered by all my uncles, aunts, and of course my parents. The word discrimination did not figure in my vocabulary at all. Growing up with umpteen male cousins, learned to ride a cycle much before them, walked on stilts which no one else did, fascinated by horse riding, lawn tennis, and cricket. Both my father as well as my younger brother were my heroes, being ace riders. Coming to class discrimination, that too never existed in our lives. All our employees, they all belonged to one large extended family. My grandparents' helpers were known as Nadir Dada, belonging to my grandfather, and Wajid Nana, belonging to my Nana.
वो कौन सी परिस्थितियां रही थी जिनसे आपके जीवन में बदलाव आया, हमें बताइए।
My mother never allowed me to step into the kitchen till the age of 29. As a result, by the age of 30, when I got married, I couldn't even boil an egg. Now coming of age meant umpteen proposals for marriage. My defiant nature got the better of me, and I rejected a proposal from my aunt in Pakistan to marry her son. Her long cherished desire to make me her daughter-in-law was absolutely crushed. She was heartbroken. I told my mother not to at all entertain any proposals till I fell in love. Now the $1,000,000 question, how? Dating was tabooed. However, I fell in love with my best friend's brother, who was 8 years my junior. But it took us 4 years to actually formalize the event in 1970.
शिक्षा के महत्व को आप कैसे देखती हैं?
Belonging to a distinguished Talukdar family of Awadh, the importance of education in one's life was always impressed on us. And my sole motive in life was come up to the expectations of my parents and my extended family. My role model again being my father, who had acquired a bar-at-law degree from Cambridge in UK. My mother had never seen the face of a school, yet she was instrumental in sending us to the prestigious Loreto Convent in Lucknow, from where I graduated. I went on to acquire a master's degree in English literature from the Lucknow University. The only option available in Lucknow for young girls was the noble profession of teaching. So I became a junior school teacher in Colvin Talukdar's College of Lucknow. My mentor as well as my icon was an Anglo-Indian lady by the name of Mrs. Seeley. Passion for teaching was further honed by my mentor, icon, and a very dear friend, Dr. Urvashi Sahni, under whose guidance I have learned to be an innovative facilitator to the children of Study Hall for over 30 years. I have never looked back because of the love, unconditional affection, respect given to me by all my colleagues and my young students. The child in me is very much alive and has kept me young and kicking. So my advice to you all is, please learn to be yourself with a transparent mind. Goodbye.
धन्यवाद आपा। मुझे लगता है कि आज आपके दिल की बात हजारों हजार लोगों के दिल तक जरूर पहुंचेगी और हर वर्ग के लोगों को इससे जरूर कोई ना कोई सीख मिलेगी। एक बार पुनः आपका धन्यवाद। अगली श्रृंखला में हम आपसे फिर मिलेंगे।